Today, we're diving into the Jhua garden tool set, a 10-piece gardening kit that's making waves with its thoughtful design and vibrant aesthetics. This set includes everything you need to tackle your garden, featuring a big shape shovel, a 3-tine rake, head shears, a big round shovel, a weeding knife, a spray bottle, pruning shears, a small rake, a small sharp shovel, and a small round shovel. Each tool is crafted to handle various gardening tasks, from digging and weeding to raking and aerating soil. What sets this tool set apart is its ergonomic design. The handles are non-slip and crafted for comfort, reducing arm fatigue and making your gardening experience smoother and more efficient. This means you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time dealing with discomfort. The set is perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardening, catering to all your planting needs with ease. The Jhua garden tool set also boasts a molded shell toolbox with designated slots for each piece, ensuring that your tools are organized and easy to access. This thoughtful design keeps your gardening space tidy and prevents any mess. Additionally, the pruning shears feature a security lock for safe use that if you're searching for a fantastic gift for a gardening enthusiast, look no further. The stylish purple flower print and comprehensive functionality make this set a great choice for occasions like Mother's Day, birthdays, or even as a Christmas gift. It's a delightful option for anyone who loves to garden or is just starting out. With its blend of practicality and charming design, the Jhua garden tool set is a standout addition to any gardener's collection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.